Sure. And again, sorry for the delay. Thank you, Mr. Ajay Agarwal, for coming all the way from Bombay to address. He's the owner and CMD for Max Mobiles. And he'll answer all your question answers after this presentation. Right now, I'll take you through the Max Smart Care presentation. Why we have started exclusively company-owned, company-operated Smart Care, one of its kind in India as a brand. And what is the way forward for the same. So I'll begin the presentation. If you look at the Indian smartphone market, GfK, which is the most renowned agency in terms of survey, market in the world in terms of smartphone. And if you look at this trend, India's current exit 2014, it was at 7th position. But they are predicting the faster growth of smartphones in India. It will take India to a position of number 1, beating China and any other country in the world in terms of smartphone sharing, in terms of smartphone penetration, in terms of people having smartphone in their hand and using smartphone. So it will be the fastest growing country in the world in terms of smartphone per se in the market. There is a, if you look at the handset activation data, that is the SIM activation data, or the SIM seeding, that's the operator, number of people carrying in a SIM in India, it is 1.2 billion, which is close to the population of India at 1.2 billion. That means every individual in India on a 1:1 ratio has a SIM. So, but the penetration of SIM card is only at 79%. That means people are carrying more than one SIM because it is as good as 1:1 population of India. We thought about this, that service is the front-end tool of any sales, and that's the first engagement you get, and the word of mouth of a great service builds up the channel confidence very high, and that gives the consumer also a feeling that the brand cares about you. That's why with the rising expectation of the consumer, we believe that service center will be critical in terms of the getting the overall brand recall and word of mouth marketing, and it will establish the brand equity with the consumer in such a format that he'll refer us with his peers, their friends and the colleagues. And in fact, if the service centers are appropriate, they are good, the channel, that is the retail channel, will also recommend us to a very large extent, and very soon it will be the biggest differentiator between many brands and us. Because if you look at from a product standpoint, it's more or less the same, because there is no spares available to get a change done for his mobile handset. So we'll have a better planning in terms of overall appeal, in terms of overall, we know the sales trend in a particular market. So accordingly, we'll feed the max market centers, and because of better planning, there will be better execution. We'll have resilience so that the consumers are heard out, because they are already in a grievance mode. So we understand that hearing them out will solve 90% of the grievance per se. We'll do a situation analysis, whether this, how to treat the consumer in the right fashion and mode, and we'll provide them the right solution. We'll have world-class work standard to get you the maximum mileage in terms of service center and a turnaround time of 1 hour to maximum 3 days. That's what I promised, and we promise.
I would like to ask a question if from your side on subject.
What is the typical investment in each center?
The investment for every smart care center is in average of 10 lakh rupees. So for 15 service centers, we have invested about 1.5 crores.
What's been the growth of Max from the time it started and where is it now? Have you projected?
We are at the moment in the range of 1.5% at the market share in India at the moment.
Some numbers.
In terms of numbers, in 14-15 we have crossed 5 million handset sales in India, and for next year 15-16 we are planning is for 1.5 million every month, which comes to 18 million phones for 2015-16.
Top line, bottom line numbers.
Top line we are looking at 1500 crores with the PAT of about 50 crores, which will be 3% of the top line.
And since the start, what's been the CAGR?
Sorry?
What's been the growth year on year?
We've been growing for a couple of years, but last year was the downfall because we identified the main reason of downfall was after sales service, which was a trend for most of the Indian mobile phone brands, and we focused rather on sales, we focused on improving the after-sales service. That is how this idea came and we implemented the same. And within 12 months, sales will be free, of course, but the calls which are damaged, damaged by themselves will be paid, but will be at a most reasonable price. The great amount of transparency is being practiced by Max in terms of when you buy, when you are required to get a replacement of your touch screen or LCD screen or any other spare part, you do not know the price of that spare part and you end up paying whatever the service center asks you for. So you never know that what is the right price for what you pay. Hence, Max have already shown all the prices for all the spare parts that we sell for our phones which are required by the consumer on our website. So 100% transparency is there, including the service charges. So there is no chance where the customer will end up paying extra. Plus, to control in a better way, we have developed our own software program which would control the entire service station across India. So whenever a consumer goes to our place, it will get registered and the call get registered with the job sheet, and whenever it gets repaired, will be informed automatically by the system to the consumer, with the customer directly, rather getting service to third party, where consumers always end up paying extra and get cheated. That's right.
Let be a door-to-door service where you pick it up from the customer.
That is possible, for which logistics are required, and current other things. This is